As down by Banna's banks I strayed one evening in sweet May, the little birds in blithest notes made vocal every spray. They sang their little songs of love, they sang them o'er and o'er. Agrom o chriw mo cailín she molly mo Stoir. The daisy pied, the primrose pale, the violet's tender blue lay scattered o'er the waking fields, still wet with morning dew. Such fragrance in the bosom lies of her whom I adore. Agron o chriw mo cailín she molly mo sad fate that doomed me thus, the slave of love and cruel Molly's hate. How can she break the honest heart that wears her at its core? Said you loved me, Molly dear, oh, why did I believe? Who could hear such tender words and think them meant to deceive? If love was all I asked on earth, my kine and fleecy store. Turtle doves above my head sat courting on a bough. I envied them their happiness. Where is that fondness now? Such love was once for me was shown, but now alas 'tis o'er.